we can use the wire 1 millimeter to make some simple wiring. We will excuse you to go your nose. Yeah, I just get a cold yesterday. Yeah. Okay. No, it's non-10-inch copper wire. Even go shower, go swimming, it doesn't matter. LP Lisa needed the total. 她昨天 yesterday she missed it. Yes, just got over that cold. Yeah. If new friends, you are first time in my shop, you just try a small order. $50 free shipping. You can test a small order to check the quality. Take my wire and you can make the ring and slow it in water. Slow it in water with the salt or with some shampoo. Then after 1 week, you can check if it's still shiny. Yeah. I'm sure you will be back to my shop because my shop with the customer, many customers, they placed the order more than 40 orders. So I have many customer more than 2 years together with me because my shop just started since 2022. Okay, let me show you, Lisa. Okay, this one we're going to show another ring. Another ring we can make it by the plier. If we want to keep the loop same size, we can use this. My throat also very dry. Okay. Here, I start with this blue part. Okay, and here we can see it's this way to make. Thank you. Here, fold it. Fold like this. Hello, Sabi. Happy to see you. And we fold it back. Okay. And the other side, put here. Here. And put in back. Okay. And then again. Here. And again. Here. And this way. Here. Hi, OC Linked. Happy to see you. We are do some wire wrap tutorial at the beginning of our live. Later, we will share the chains. Here. Fold. Yeah. Thank you. Here. The fold. fold, fold, fold. So it's repeat, repeat. It's if you want to make the piece smaller, we can make it on the top of the plier. Thank you, Camelia Mota. Thank you for your nice gift. We have go live here on TikTok since 2022, and we have two channels. Another channel is with more than 600 free tutorials. I will show you where to find the more than 600 free tutorial later. Okay, here the piece. Okay, then what length wide did you start with? I start with 20 centimeter, but I feel it's a little bit short. If you want to make a big size, you can cut the wire 25 or 30. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Here. Here. So this ring will be a small one. We can hammer it, and it will be not easy to be tinish. Yeah, not easy to be out of shape. Yeah. Yes, 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter the size. Okay. It's a small ring. Small size. Let's hang the two pieces together. I use a wire to tie them together, and or you can wear it just like open the ring. This one 1 millimeter here. And if you are not going to make it, you want a closed ring, we can wrap it by the wire here. 那个 LP Lisa 的 total 给我一下，她昨天只是 missing 了。Dear LP Lisa, your box yesterday I showed is 137. 137. So you get the charms, get the chains. Here, Stella will send you the picture, Lisa. 137. Finger bangle. Yes. So 13 Lisa is your box. This is a claim item can be claimed in live streaming. Okay, so here, wait, I'm going to tie the two wire, the end together. Them together by the copper wire here. Tight. And a tight. Tight. Here. Go through. Here. cut away. Cut away. Okay. If I want to make it bigger, actually it can be pull it bigger. Okay. Hi, Uniqueen Love. Happy to see you. Okay.